Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error code 0x000007c or 0x000006e4 or 0x000011b. Windows cannot connect to printer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot, trouble, troubleshoot setting, open it. In here you need to select other troubleshooters and select the printer troubleshooter, run it. Close the troubleshooter guys. If the problem we're having resolved, I think so. Check power supply of printer and try to restart both of the device on or off, and try this as well guys. Go to search menu and type services, open it, and you need to find printer spooler and type in P in keyboard and printer spooler is here. Double click on it and you need to select automatic here and you need to start it. I am already running over here and apply and OK. We need to select automatic and start button and apply and OK. Close out of here. And the next thing, so basically it will hopefully resolve the problem guys. If that didn't, means try this as well. Go to CMD and run as administrator, click Ctrl S, and in here you need to check my video description of my command and right click on and copy, right click, eject and paste it, press enter guys. So basically on this page what we can do here, I tell you guys, you can actually go ahead and remove the printer driver you have issue with and reconnect the printer. Hopefully this will resolve the problem you guys. And for example I'm removing one of these, remove it, click on it and remove driver only, or driver and driver package you can remove like that. And after removing like this, and after removing like this, go to the manufacturer website and download the driver for your device. For example, you having Canon or some things like that, you go ahead and in manufacturer website and download the driver. Hopefully that can able to resolve it guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.